As men cross the age of 55, their bodies undergo significant changes. Muscle mass naturally declines, testosterone levels decrease, and recovery from physical exertion takes longer. But growing older doesn't mean giving up on strength, vitality, or physical performance. With the right strategies, you can optimize your health and maintain peak functionality well into your senior years. This guide outlines essential knowledge and practical steps for maintaining and enhancing physical health after 55. We'll cover exercise, nutrition, hormonal balance, sleep, injury prevention, and the importance of mindset in sustaining long-term wellness. 1. Understanding age-related changes, loss of muscle mass, sarcopenia. After 30, men lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade if they don't exercise. This accelerates after 60. Reduced testosterone. Testosterone supports muscle growth, libido, energy, and mood. Levels gradually decline with age. Joint and bone health. Osteoarthritis and osteoporosis become concerns. Joint stiffness and reduced bone density can affect mobility. Metabolic slowdown. Reduced muscle mass leads to slower metabolism and easier fat gain. Understanding these changes helps tailor a smarter lifestyle that adapts to the body's evolving needs. Second, exercise, the foundation of physical performance. A. Resistance training, 3 to 4 times weekly. Build and preserve muscle mass. Improve joint stability and bone density. Boost metabolic rate. Focus on compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, rows. Start with moderate weight and proper form. Use machines or free weights based on mobility. B. Cardiovascular exercise, 3 to 5 times weekly. Support heart health and lung capacity. Aid fat loss. Improve stamina and mental clarity. Effective options include brisk walking, swimming, cycling, low-impact cardio machines. C. Flexibility and mobility. Daily. Prevent injury, improve range of motion, reduce pain, incorporate stretching yoga or Tai Chi foam rolling. D. Balance and coordination, 2 to 3 times weekly. Prevent falls, strengthen core, improve stability, simple exercises, standing on one leg, heel to toe, walking balance boards. 3. Nutrition fuel for vitality. A. Protein intake. Aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Sources: lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, protein shakes. B. Healthy fats, support hormones and brain health. Sources: olive oil, avocados, fatty fish, omega-3s, nuts, seeds. C. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbs for sustained energy. Sources: whole grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes. D. Micronutrients, calcium, vitamin D, magnesium. Bone health. B vitamins, energy and cognitive function. Zinc, immune support and testosterone regulation. E. Hydration. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Dehydration impacts performance, joint lubrication, and cognition. 4. Hormonal balance. A. Testosterone optimization. Resistance training, adequate sleep, weight management, stress reduction considerations. Get annual blood work. Discuss low testosterone symptoms with a physician. Explore natural supplements or hormone therapy only under supervision. B. Cortisol management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which impairs muscle growth and immunity. Strategies: deep breathing, meditation, walking in nature, prioritizing rest. 5. Sleep and recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Establish a regular bedtime. Avoid screens. 1 hour before bed. Reduce caffeine and alcohol in the evening. Why it matters: muscle repair and growth occur during deep sleep. Hormone regulation, cognitive clarity, active recovery tips, stretching, sauna, or steam bath. Massage, light walks. 6. Preventing and managing injuries, common injuries in older men. Rotator cuff strains, lower back pain, knee arthritis, Achilles tendonitis. Prevention strategies: warm up thoroughly before workouts. Listen to your body. Pain is not progress. Cross-train to avoid overuse injuries. Incorporate regular mobility work. Recovery musts: ice or heat as needed. Proper rest periods. Physical therapy, if necessary. 7 supplements that may support performance. Creatine maintains muscle strength and brain health. Vitamin D3 supports immune and bone health. Magnesium improves sleep, muscle recovery. Fish oil, anti-inflammatory and supports joints. Zinc plus B6 aids testosterone function. Consult a healthcare provider before starting new supplements. 8. Mindset and motivation. Why mindset matters after 55. Consistency matters more than intensity. Set goals that prioritize health span, not just lifespan. Measure progress beyond just weight, energy, flexibility, mental sharpness. Tips for staying motivated. Train with a friend or group. Track progress in a journal or app. Celebrate small milestones. Remind yourself of your why. 9. The importance of regular checkups, annual physicals, cardiovascular screenings, bone density tests, prostate exams, colonoscopy, as advised, hormone panels. Preventive care catches issues early and keeps you on track. 10. Building a sustainable routine. Key elements. Schedule exercise like appointments. Plan meals and snacks ahead. Prioritize sleep. Reduce sedentary time. Stand, walk, move. Often sample daily routine for performance. Wake at 6:30 a.m. 20-minute stretch walk, healthy breakfast protein, plus complex carb, resistance training or cardio, mid-morning protein-rich lunch, light evening walk, wind-down routine at 9 p.m. conclusion. Better performance after 55 isn't about reversing time. It's about honoring your body, optimizing your health, and committing to habits that promote strength, resilience, and vitality. With consistent effort in movement, nutrition, recovery, and mindset, you can stay energetic, capable, and sharp for decades to come. This is not just about living longer. It's about living better. Stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, you're just getting started.